So आप अपने साड़ीज में कैसे एलिगेंट दिख सकते हैं, कैसे स्टाइलिश दिख सकते हैं, because here I am helping you to look supremely elegant in your way, in the best possible way, if that makes sense. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. How have you been? I'm Abhinya Menon, your personal stylist, image consultant and whatnot. I'm a certified makeup artist as well, so if you have any queries you can drop DMs in my Instagram. There's the handle and I will be there to help you out. And yes, so today I'll be talking about sarees because it's the cult favorite and it's the best thing you can wear in your Indian wear. So sarees are loved. Sarees myself, since I'm married to an army officer, so we have to wear sarees all the time. हर जगह हमें साड़ी डालनी पड़ती है, तो बहुत तरीके से over a period of time हम used to हो गए हैं. And I got the its and bits of sarees कि वो किस तरह हम graceful in a modern world लग सकते हैं. You don't have to look very traditional. With little bit of styling and understanding, you can actually look great wearing sarees. So I'll not blabber much. Let's get into the video, and do like this video. It's going to be fun. Subscribe because it is a great community of elegant people, and stay tuned till the last because there will be bonus tips as well. It's there in my every video. You can go and check. I'm not lying. First point to look supremely elegant and classy in sarees is hairstyle. That too, ponytail. I cannot tell you imagine a lady wearing saree, holding a nice clutch, sunglasses and a ponytail. It's hot, it's sexy, it's elegant. So rather than always keeping your hair down, which usually women do, try to make a sleek ponytail. It adds height, it looks super sophisticated. So try this and you will never be sorry about it. Point number 2, again, it is about the hairstyle, that is a classic bun. You can never go wrong with a classic bun, and it complements sari supremely well. So you can divide your hairstyles in a way कि अगर night है तो you can go with a nice hot ponytail. Day function है तो हमने थोड़ा सा bun लगा लिया with a gajra or little bit of one rose or a flower. That looks great. So you can divide your hairstyle. It should not be so predictable about you कि सामने से सबको पता है कि ये क्या करेगी, ये सिर्फ अपने बाल खुल के आ जाएगी. So never be so predictable about your style. Always give surprises. Always be a drama because it's nice, you know. People should always be like, oh, that looks nice. It should not be like, oh, she looks the same. You get that? There is a difference. So hairstyles can bring that oomph factor in your overall look. So remember to play with your hairstyle. Point number 3, going monochrome. Monochrome का मतलब होता है आपकी ब्लाउज की कलर और ब्लाउज और साड़ी का कलर सेम हो. तो उससे क्या होता है? It adds a lot of elegance and sophistication. As simple as that. अगर आपको कुछ भी नहीं समझ आ रहा, keep your blouse and saree का color same. Play with the accessories, be it your heels or clutch or jewelry. So वहाँ पे आप experiment कर लो, but अपने blouse को और साड़ी को same color रखो. It is elegant. Number 4, adding sunglasses. So whenever it's a day function or it's like afternoons, if you're wearing saree, add that sunglass. Wear your frames, wear your shades, and वो बहुत अच्छा लगता है. Trust me, it looks good, it looks stunning. Even the royals wear sunglasses with the sari, so we all are royals, I believe. So give yourself a pat, give yourself some confidence that, you know, you have to look nice, and looking nice is not a crime. It is like a birthright for us. So adore those sunglasses, oversized the better. Point number 5, always carry a clutch. So a sari looks elegant when you are in harmony with everything, be it the sari, the blouse, the petticoat, the jewelry, the makeup, the accessories which you're carrying, the bag. So you always remember to carry a nice clutch when you're wearing a sari so that it looks elegant. Please don't carry your phone. अपने हाथ में लेके घूमने की कोई जरूरत नहीं. Always carry a clutch that looks sophisticated, and clutch adds a lot of charm as well. Point number 6, minimum jewelry. So when it comes to साड़ी, हमने मतलब बहुत ही ट्रेडिशनल तरीके की सारी स्टाइलिंग देखी है. हम काफी कुछ डाल लेते हैं सिर में, गले में, हाथ में, पैर में, what not. So when it comes to being elegant, less is more, and try to use one piece of jewelry to culminate or commemorate the whole look of your sari. So try that and you are going to look great, trust me. So sari ke sath either go for earrings or go for just one neck piece, which is a drama piece, or lots of chunk jewelry or bangles. and please add a watch. It looks beautiful. Point number 7, which is supremely important if you are leaving your hair down, please go for a blow dried hair. Frizzy, unmanaged hair looks bad and it doesn't frame your face well. उससे आपका फेस भी बहुत अनपॉलिश्ड लगता है, ओवरऑल लुक भी खराब हो जाता है, and it looks very mundane and very traditional. So opt for those blow dried hair. It looks better, it looks smooth, it looks put together, and it adds a lot of grace points to your sari as well. So whenever doing a sari and thinking of keeping the hair down, get it blow dried. Yes. Last but not the least, the best point for you guys to understand is to keep a very clean makeup. I'm telling you very honestly, a clean face is much better than a cakey face. So if you know the art of minimalist makeup, if you know the art of no makeup, good for you, please go on with it. But if you're a woman who feels that looking like a Santa Claus or looking like overdone makeup joker makes sense, it doesn't. The sophisticated women always go subtle and they look amazing. So your confidence speaks a lot when you carry an outfit. So makeup is not a way to express things in a very loud way. Makeup is just to add a lot of grace. So those were some amazing points with respect to sari, and now we are here with the bonus points. Bonus point number 1, confidence. Any outfit if you wear, if you don't carry confidence with you, it's not going to work. Walk like a queen, walk like you own that outfit, and walk like it is only meant for you, and that outfit is going to be supremely well. So confidence is the key. Always have confidence. Bonus point number 2 with respect to looking elegant in sari, smell good. Please ladies, always put on a nice perfume when you're stepping out wearing any outfit. Smells amazing and people would like to stand. आपसे बात करने का मन करेगा उनको. Otherwise, bad odor is repelling. Point number 3, a bonus point for you. Never ever leave the house without moisturizing your hands and feet. Hands and feet shows the first connection with a person, and अगर आपको लगता है कि कोई notice नहीं कर रहा, people do notice. So always, I'm not saying कि आप manicure करो, pedicure करो and अपने पैसे उड़ा दो. Just moisturize it. घर से निकल रहे हो, either keep one in your handbag कि अगर आप घर पे भूल गए तो on the way रास्ते में गाड़ी में रख लो, एक बैग में रख लो, so that there is one moisturizer available for you to put on or slather on. So hands should be moisturized, and if you're wearing sandals, strappy sandal, always moisturize your feet, because dry feet is miserable. It doesn't look great and it doesn't go well with elegance. So try these points and I'm sure you're going to rock every Indian sari or outfit. So that was from my side. Like this video if it was worth your time. Subscribe so that we all are together in this journey. Share this video to some of your friends or girlfriends who would like to know more about Indian wear in the best elegant way. You can follow me on Instagram as well. We can be friends there. You can ask me anything about lifestyle, and there are so many courses and services offered there. You can go and check. I'm Abhinya Menon, your personal stylist, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.